Now, why do we do this? Okay, anong purpose? Bakit ginagawa namin ito? The purpose why we're here tonight is first is our mission really as a digital marketing is to help as many business owners, financial advisors, network builders, real estate people, professionals, specialists, coaches, consultants to grow their business and career using the digital and social media platform. So that's really our mission, because parang we have been given the skill, the knowledge about the digital marketing world. So we would like to share it to as many people as possible so that it can also help them. Okay.
Yeah.
And another reason why we're here, the reason why we do this free webinar presentation is we want to maximize our God-given potential by pursuing and developing our skills and passion in digital marketing. So, naging passion na namin, naging interest, naging parang hobby na namin yung marketing digitally using digital platforms, social media. That's why we want to maximize it because we believe that it's God-given by pursuing it and also by sharing it to other people. That's why we're here. And also, personally, I really want to contribute to the economy of the Philippines. Okay, in what way? Una, by helping business owners to recover and bounce back from this pandemic using my skill in digital marketing and social media marketing, and also by providing jobs to some people through our agency. And later on, we are going to parang expand it, or really going to build a company or corporation out of this. So we want to contribute something to the economy of the Philippines, and we can do that by helping businesses. Kasi we know for the fact that a lot of businesses ngayon are being affected by the pandemic. So, and we believe that transitioning to the digital marketing world can really help them to recover from the setback caused by this pandemic. Yan yung purpose bakit namin ginagawa ito.